hot, I'm hungry now, burning up. But let me tell y'all about Tag Precision real quick. This just gonna be a quick video because you know what, it's sights, but everybody needs a good pair of sights. Good precision starts with a great pair of sights on your firearm, and Tag Precision sent over these fiber optic fronts and also a blacked out rear, just to ensure firearm is clear. We're gonna lock it back like that. There is no magazine and the chamber is empty. Okay, so you got the blacked out rear sights, all right, and then you have your fiber optic front sight, which is also interchangeable. So you can have red, you can have a lime green like this, or if you're not about all of the colors, you can black it out. Now this is Maya's Glock 48. She wanted blacked out rear sights. I'm sorry, blacked out rear and front sights. So she has that option to do that, but she did want to run it with this red fiber optic first, just to see how it'll go. But so it's a fiber lock system in these sights, meaning if you own fiber optic sights before, you know that you can lose them, right? Because most people just like burn the ends. No, this one has a whole locking mechanism in it to where you can, which also makes it the interchangeable. So you just unscrew it, put it in there, and then screw your little lock back in there, and you good to go. So I'm not sure if you could put Loctite on it or not, if you want to just stick to one color. I'm not sure about that, but I know it's gonna lock in there for you and your fiber isn't going anywhere. So we just gonna run this gun and we gonna see how well these sights are. So we got the steel plates out there. We're gonna see what's going on and if it's a better shot for Maya. So yeah, she wanted blacked out. We're gonna run these first and then we'll run it again blacked out. So let's just see how it runs. See how accurate or more precise we can be with this, since we have the new Tag Precision iron sights on there. So let's go check it out.
Take a minute to see how.
Okay, show off your sparkles, girl. Okay, yes. We see you, boo. Everybody say we see you, boo, in the comments. All right, so we about, I'ma say, this funny. Yeah, I'm gonna be awkward and say 13 yards. I don't know. What? It's not, cause it ain't 15. I don't know. I'm gonna say about 13 yards. Yards away. Okay, baby.
Ready?
Y'all, test out your good old sights. Damn. Girl, pause. The damn.
That's why I was like, what's behind us?
Y'all, look how I rigged this up. Look done, bro. Bro. Go ahead.
I didn't go back.
Clipped it.
Same thing.
Yeah. Pick it up a little bit. Oh, we forgot the other mag, so we gotta go load up real quick. So anyway, let's just check these out. Let's see if we could get see what we see. I'm ready to shoot it. Oh, I'm shaky. Hold up. Arthur, that's you? Okay. I like the sight picture. What y'all think? It's looking good to me. We also have another one for suppressor height, optic height, whatever you want to call it. We have another set that's going on the Glock 45. Should have been on the Glock 45, but yeah, I still got to get the Glock 25. I mean 45. What am I talking about? Gotta get the Glock 45. So you back? You ready? You loaded?
Not yet. Hot. Hot. Very hot.
That girl, you made it ashy a little bit.
It's hot.
No, I'm talking about on the anyway.
I was like, I'm confused.
Oh, that wind picked up good. Come on. Thank you, Lord. Ah. Pick it up, babe. There you go. There you go.
I'm blowing open with the wind.
The wind going crazy. Oh, look. Look at the dust storm. Oh, hold up. My hat.
I can't keep my balance.
Look at the barrels. In my throat. Damn.
I ain't even gonna lie. I can't
Putting
even
it in my throat.
Woo.
Golly.
That's a mean little breeze we just got.
Okay, I can't even ask you how you feel about them right now because that was just crazy.
I don't know.
Girl. Damn, what the hell? It's hot. Let's see, what is the temp? What's the temp?
Hell. It's 95.
95, real feel.
That's without. Yeah.
Give us the real feel. This Texas, we got that humidity like a mug.
Plantersville.
Yeah.
It don't go that deep on the watch.
Oh, damn.
Oh, wait. My phone.
I know, that's why I'm... Girl.
Heat altercations.
Oh, my God.
He alters your mind.
Oh,
not
my
altercations.
God.
104.
104?
50% humidity.
What time is it?
Noon.
Wow. We still got 3 o'clock to go. We ain't gonna be out here though. But anyway, let's bump these up. Let me shoot that thing, man.
Yeah.
Shoot, let me check that thing out. Let's get this. I be finding ammo out here, y'all. And my booty crack out. Dang. Put my booty up. That's that sweat. Okay, be back. Alright, so now it's my turn to check out these tag precision. Tag precision iron sights. So got the red fiber optic front, blacked out rear sight, 10 rounds in this Glock 48. Oh baby, oh baby, come on. Am I too high? Yep.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's right here, right here.
All right, let's try that again. Let's see. Come on, babe. Where did that one go?
Low.
It did?
Yeah,
that's crazy.
They hitting low.
Let's try to start low, low, low.
Yeah. They're still low.
Okay, it's different. I gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
But shoot, you can see good. And I bet at first, the first time I was shooting with my eyes, one eye closed, then I opened both and I started hitting them, except that one that went like low. But yeah, overall I really like how they look. I like how they looking. I like them a lot. So make sure y'all check out Tag Precision. These some different fiber optic sights. Of course, this is our first time shooting with them. We got to get used to them and see what it's about. But I'm liking how it's looking. So we're gonna end this video right here. Other than that, y'all stay safe. Make sure y'all check out the Instagram. We also have a Twitter. Check out the Twitter. And also check out Tag Precision and let them know Mo sent you. Other than that, y'all stay safe. Always remember, more guns, less problems. All right.